Beavers are large rodents that spend a significant amount of their lives in and around water. These semi-aquatic creatures are fascinating in many ways. They are famous for their dams, which they construct from trees, branches, stones and mud. These dams create ponds that provide habitat and protection. Their continuously growing incisors are incredibly strong and allow them to gnaw through trees with ease. The iron in their enamel makes their teeth orange. Their large hind feet are webbed, making them excellent swimmers. They can stay underwater for up to 15 minutes. Beavers have a dense waterproof coat that keeps them warm and dry in the water. They are mostly active at night, which is when they do most of their dam building and foraging for food. Beavers primarily eat woody plants, including bark, leaves, twigs and buds. There are two types of beavers, the North American beaver and the Eurasian beaver. Would you like to know more about a specific aspect of beavers, such as their dam building techniques, diet or social behavior?